Hey guys, it's your girl Terry Michelle and I'm back with another video. Today, something a little bit different. It's not about weight loss. So, I'm getting, y'all, I think I have like a cold or something. I don't know what's going on. It's not COVID, but something's going on. I'm looking rough, y'all. I'm about to actually take these locks out and I'm gonna get an install traditional sew-in with Snobish Hair Company bundles. So that's actually why I'm making this video. And my daughter's in the background, so excuse her because she's gonna do the most. She's gonna do the most. But anyways, I want to do an initial unboxing because I am getting my sew-in tomorrow. I wanted to give my hair some time to breathe, but that's not gonna happen because I'm getting my sew-in tomorrow. So I'm going to the packaging in a white box, and I'm gonna tag the Instagram of the hair company in my description box below. So let's open this up. And we have this cute little gold label. It says thank you. Super cute. So open it up. It's wrapped up really cute. Ooh, y'all. So we have the bundles come in this bag with little satchels. You call them satchels? I don't know. Ooh, we got an edge brush, y'all. We got, what's this? I think this might be like a hairband that you put around your edges. Ooh, a reward card. I got my first little punch out. Yes, Snobish Hair Company. And then we have a thank you card. Tag us in your photos. And then we have some hair care tips. It says co-wash extensions with cool water and a moisturizing conditioner. While conditioning is on extensions, detangle from ends to roots. Let sit for approximately 20 to 30 minutes for a deep condition. Rinse thoroughly until water runs clear. Any product left on extensions may cause oil or weigh down stiff hair. Let hair air dry for best results. Hair care is a must. Stay snobbish. It's a lifestyle. Mother snob. Real cute, y'all. Real cute. I just love the gold. I love the gold. I love it. Anyway, so let's get into it. Again, since this bag is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so I ordered 4 bundles, y'all. I ordered a 20, 22, and then 2 24-inch bundles. I want a really full, not dramatic. I want a natural look, but I want it full. My hair is thick, so I want my sewing to be thick. So let's just open up the 24-inch bundle. Y'all, I'm running behind time because, like I said, I need to get my hair done tomorrow morning. My hair's still like this. I still need to co-wash these. But we won't make a deal with that. So, we have, this is, what did I say this was? The 24-inch bundle. And they are a natural brown. Feels really soft. No chemical smell. Smells like hair. And then you have these Snobish Hair Company tabs on it, tags, whatever you want to call it. And so I got body weave. I learned that straight hair is not for my hair in terms of me wanting to get a traditional sew-in because it ain't blending. And then, but what I will start doing though, because I've been watching a lot of videos, okay, getting curly hair and then straightening it. I think that'll be really good. But we're gonna see what it's working with. I am gonna bring y'all along, I think, tomorrow to get my install. So this is the initial. It's really soft. I'm not getting any shedding. It's thick from root to tip. This is the 24-inch bundle. I'm 5'1" for reference, and it's reaching me like here. And then in its natural state, it comes here. Okay. So I will be back tomorrow. Actually, I might show y'all the co-wash look, what it looks like after co-washing. I will be back with that, and I'll see you then. All right, y'all, so here are the 4 bundles. In each package of hair, there are these hair care tips. So these are additional hair care tips. I guess this is what you do like after the hair is installed, just weekly maintenance and stuff like that. All right, so we're going to be co-washing with this TRESemmé Rich Moisture Hyaluronic Flax. I love this in my natural hair, so I think it will be really good for these bundles. So let's get ready to start washing. I'm very lazy when it comes to stuff like this. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna wet and then hair is looking like I do not know how to multitask. It looks, y'all, it feels so soft. It feels so soft. It's like smooth. Let me just pick up one of the bundles. It's really pretty. So we're gonna see tomorrow after it dries what it looks like, but there's no like what do you call it? Brown residue in the water or anything like that. Like it's giving. It's giving. I'm excited. All right, so as expected, that flat iron did not go so well, so I'm going to turn on my Red by Kiss 1-inch barrel thingy, 1 curl. And then we're just gonna put some, so I like big, beachy hair, right? But what I found with that, like you have to, because it's 1 inch, you have to do smaller curls, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I did get that leave out pretty blended, so this is what we're working with. Again, I got a 20, 22, and 2 24-inch bundles. Every strand of hair is installed. Okay, give you a close look here. Okay, the hair is really beautiful. Again, my issue is blending my hair with like, I guess a more finer texture hair. So what I will start doing is getting more like coarse hair. But this looks good. This looks good. It just takes a little bit of work, okay, to get everything cohesive. So yeah, I'm gonna let this heat up. All right, guys. So I just put a couple of quick curls in here. I'm gonna go ahead and flexi rod it up so that it can stay. This is what we got. I'm just gonna run my fingers through this. But as you can see, like I'm not getting any shedding, nothing. It's super soft. The hair is very soft. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it curls really nice. Oh, look at that. But yeah, I'm going to put a little flexi rod in here, and then yeah, I like it. Nice carefree hair. Hopefully it's not too much maintenance, because I like to keep some locks in so that I don't have to do my hair every day. But I know that's unrealistic. Just see the back one more time. And I'm 5'1" for reference. Again, my longest inch is 24. And it's pretty long. It's pretty long. So yeah. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.